Hello there! Today, we're going to embed a Figma prototype into Elementor to showcase live app flows, interactive website designs, or product mockups directly on your website. For that, we're going to use the custom iFrame plugin by Coderz Studio. It helps you embed almost anything on your website. It's light, easy to use, and works great with Elementor. So first, let's get the plugin on your WordPress site. Step 1. Install and activate the custom iFrame plugin. Open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for Custom iFrame by Coderz Studio. A plugin card will show up. Hit Install now, then Activate. This plugin can embed PDFs, social posts, Google Docs, videos, audios, web pages, basically anything with a link. Alright, plugins live. Let's embed your Figma prototype in Elementor. Step 2. Get the Figma prototype link. Open Figma and navigate to the prototype file that you want to embed. Go to the top menu and click on Share button. Now click on Copy Link button. Step 3. Add the custom iFrame widget in page. Go to the page or post where your Figma prototype needs to shine. Click Edit with Elementor. In the widget panel, search Custom iFrame. Drag and drop the widget right into your layout. Step 4. Embed Figma prototype in Elementor. Go to Content. Into Source URL field, paste the link. Now let's customize the widget settings. Set the height and enable lazy load for better performance. Then, scroll down to the advanced settings. Here, you'll see the sandbox option. This is part of Custom iFrame Pro. It adds an extra layer of security by letting you control what runs inside the embed, like forms, scripts, pop-ups, and more. And that's just one part of what the Custom iFrame Pro plugin offers. Custom iFrame attributes, advanced embed controls for YouTube, Vimeo, and X posts, custom watermarks, 3D flipbook PDF viewer, device frame display, plus more coming soon. It's a powerful upgrade and definitely worth it. Want to explore the pro features and live demos? Just Google Custom iFrame plugin by Coderz Studio and head to the official site for all the details. You'll also find the link in the description if you want to check it out directly. Now in the Style tab, set up the width, background, border, box shadow to match the Figma prototype with your site's design. Finally, click Publish button and that's done. Your Figma prototype is live on your site. Check caption to get doc guide and plugin links. That's how embedding Figma prototype is simple with custom iFrame plugin by Coderz Studio.